Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video guys, this is the first time that I show you how I store my home decor pieces and my tablescape accessories. Some of you are very curious how we store them, and this is it. So here guys, Steve went to Walmart and buy this rack right here. And I'm really happy because it's very well made. And I can see my decor pieces. We have a rack here, but it's not that stable. So we changed it with this one, and that rack is in our garage right now. And here she's setting up this storage rack. And I'm really loving it because it's very well made. And most of my pieces, I put it in the storage boxes, and it's hard for me to take them out all the time. And here guys, the finished product. And here's the sneak peek of some of my ginger jar. Of course, I have my blue and white there. And here's some of my deers. They're huge, everyone, so I cannot wait to style them. So guys, all the way at the back, that's my torso over there. And over here, it's all my ginger jars, the big one, and my vases. And this is all mixed right here, as you can see. Here guys, in the second rack, this is all my ginger jars. The ones a little bit smaller, so I have blue there, gray, and black. So you guys see this on my home decor rating. Over here in the third rack, it is the very small ginger jars and my vases. So I have the gold ginger jar there, and I believe it was extra small. So some of them over here. And over guys, here in the fourth rack, it's all my blue and white. This is mix of blue and white. So as you can see over here, and also my vase. On the very top, I put my tall vases right there. And here in the second rack, I have all my glam crystal vases here, guys. So all the way at the end, I also mix some of the black there. I hope you enjoy this kind of video because some of you asked me if how I store my item, and here it is, guys. This is exactly how I do it. Actually, they are in the boxes. And I told Steve I have to put them in the rack because every time I have to pull the boxes and I have to look where did I put it. Some of them sometimes I did not name it, so sometimes it's really messy when I take all the boxes and I have to open them and check which decor I have to use. Over here guys, it's some of my deer, and this is my very over-the-top glam vases. So these pieces guys came from different store at home, Burlington, Target, or I have a Studio Magi right there, Ross, what more, Home Goods, Z Gallery. It's all over the place. Also, I have some thrifted items over there. Also, some of them from, I'm not sure if I mentioned at home, and Juan's, and also Michael's. Everyone, some of this item, I've been collecting them for years when I used to live in Columbus, and of course, some of them are I bought here since I started my YouTube channel. So I know Most of you content creator can relate to this video because this is how we do it, and I know it's a lot of work and we run out of spaces all the time. So I hope you get some ideas and inspiration in this video, and I hope you like what I did here. If you made this far, thank you so much. Also guys, stay tuned because I'm also going to do some of my tablescape accessories here and also showing you some of the vases. Over here guys, and another rack, it was on the vases. This is exactly I put them, and as you can see I named them. So some of these are my dinnerware and my teapots, also Christmas decor over here. Some of the racks is in our garage, so I think we put 4 more over there. And here's the view of my decor pieces, everyone. This is my little home goods, so that's why I say all the time I shop my home when I do my decorating. Next guys is my tablescape accessories. Hi guys, so this is few of my collection for my placemat. All of this one came from Home Goods. This blue, this one right here came from Z Gallery. This one from Home Goods. Z Gallery, Home Goods, Home Goods. And over here is also a placemat. On the bottom it was some of my charger. I have this table runner right here. I haven't used it yet, and also this one right here, and drawer. It's all about my glam glasses. So this glasses right here is mixed from Z Gallery and Home Goods and also Pure One. Over here it's all about my glam plates. It also mixed from Z Gallery and Home Goods, and this one right here is very pretty. I thrifted this one, and also there's Pure One in there. And over here it's some of my wine glasses and my glam charger. It was mixed from Z Gallery and A Febomart. Over here in my entryway console table, this is some of my napkin ring. This one from Pure One, Pure One. This one from Hobby Lobby. This one from Pure One. This one from At Home. I have not used it yet. This one from Hobby Lobby, and the butterfly from Pure One. In the next drawer, this one mixed from Z Gallery and Home Goods. This one came from Amazon. This one came from Home Goods, Hobby Lobby. This one came from Home Sense, and this one right here I thrifted. Z Gallery, this one from Amazon, and this one is Z Gallery, this one from Home Goods. I put all together my coastal napkin ring, but I don't know why this one is here, and this is for my Christmas. Yeah guys, this is all from Home Goods right here. This is for my Christmas. So right over here guys, this is all my DIY napkin ring. I used this last year, so this all my DIY, and some of it is in the box. And here guys, few of my napkin ring. I believe I have like 200 of them. This is some of them. This one from Pure One. This is all like mix. Pure One, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and Z Gallery. Same thing with this one. It was yeah, mixed from Pure One, Hobby Lobby, At Home, and few other stores. Alright guys, so this one is also some of my napkin ring. This one from Joanna Gaines, Magnolia Homes. This one is my Mackenzie Childs. Some of this over here, my napkin ring, I DIY. This is my flower one. Same thing over here is also my flower napkin. Over right here is a crystal one. So this is also some of my charger from Hobby Lobby. I thrifted some of them from Target. It's all over the place. Home Goods. This one is for the Victoria candle. And some of this is my silverware. I have to erase this one, and some of this also here from Pure One. So I try to this is all of my candle, this is all my silverware over here. So over here guys, this one, all of them from dollar store. All of these glasses right here from dollar store. And over here guys, this is mixed from dollar store, Home Goods, Pure One. Look at this hen. Is that a hen or a rooster? And also from mix of Pure One and Home Goods. Oh no, I'm sorry, dollar store. And this one right here from Home Goods. Over there the back from dollar store. This one right here from Home Goods. Over here and the bottom, some of them are my blue and white there. And from dollar store, from Home Goods. I put it in here. These pieces, you guys only see a few of them because some of them is in my cabinet in the kitchen. And over this drawer right here, some of my napkin ring that I use all the time. So I put them on over here. Some of them is in the box, the seasonal one. Alright everyone, this coffee table over here is full of my runner. I'm already taking out my fall runner. This is for my fall edition, so I'm saving up them already for next week. So this is mix of my runner and tablecloth and also napkin. So over here guys, it was mixed from Pure One and Home Goods, and also Hobby Lobby, and some of my decanter here. Over here is my charger. It was mixed from Z Gallery, Pure One, and Home Goods, and some of the plate over there from Hobby Lobby. And I thrifted this one. I haven't a haul for that one yet. And over there, it was mixed from Pure One and Hobby Lobby, and also Home Goods. This side right here, I'm gonna empty this a little bit because I'm already gathering my fall dinnerware, and some of it over here too. Over here guys, it's my Christmas goblets. Of course I put some of this black one there. My little there right there. This is like some of my decanter here. have to find this one too. I have like 6 of them, probably in the box. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.